Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers, or my wife would say, the One Love Jamaica family. Yes, I'm going to practice that from now on. I'm going to call you all the One Love Jamaica family. But anyways, I'm on the Kingston Waterfront, and we're here for the Jamaica Defence Force's Military Exercise 2025 Event Horizon. I hope you do like this video. So apparently, a lot of people didn't expect to see all of this that's happening, even though it was out in the press in terms of what will be happening. As you can see, there's a bit of traffic built up on the waterfront. Police hard at work directing traffic adjacent to the Rock Hotel building. Seems to be a little bit of confusion. You know how we are. We're a society that persons don't necessarily read or pay attention to a lot of what happens in the press that affects us on a daily basis. But in front of me, I can see that there are groups of people gathered that's next to the Bank of Jamaica building to see all the activities that are going on. I'm a bit late. I'm about 20 minutes late due to the fact that there was traffic build-up and I have to walk. I'm actually here with my wife, but she's some distance behind me. She said I should go along because I'm just in my sneakers as per usual, so I can easily navigate this more quickly. So let's see what's happening. So here are members of the Jamaica Defence Force making their way. And you see JDF soldiers just looking out.
Sir.
Which side we walk on to go to that side again though? All right, thanks. Yeah, you can see there are persons out here. Oh my God, I hope that it's not a situation that the entire exercise is over. This would be really disappointing. Morning. I finished the exercise, finished already? Oh. Yeah, I'm trying to, I don't see any activity at this moment. It's kind of having me a little bit worried. I do hope that there's still something going on. But let's see. See, even staffers from the Bank of Jamaica looking on from outside the building. Here's where the huge crowd is gathered. As I said, there's a heavy military presence in the area. Yeah, sort of confused trying to figure out what's happening now. Apparently, we missed the exercise due to being stuck in traffic. Very disappointing, but it is what it is. You can see a lot of persons are gathered in the area. Persons on the Bank of Jamaica building. I guess that's some of the boats that are heading back. Yeah. Really expected to see more. I expected the activity to be a bit longer. But it is what it is. Apparently there's a closing ceremony going on in that area. Yes, this isn't necessarily what we're interested in. But it's good to see people gathered around. Yeah, it's a good look for the Kingston Waterfront. I just hope that the activity was a much longer one. Yeah. Let's see, we can see there's some service dogs here. I'm going to see if I can possibly get some kind of file footage to showcase what happened. But yeah, just one of those things, people. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, we missed the 10-minute ceremony. We were stuck in traffic for some time trying to get over here. I'm going to try to get some kind of footage maybe from GIS to blend within this video. It's disappointing, but you can see there's a huge turnout here at the Kingston Waterfront. A lot of people turned out for the event. And I assume that it was worthwhile because persons are still here. So fortunately, the One Love family will still be able to see some amount of activity. Apparently there'll still be a little sail off, so we're lucky. So you could say we almost missed it. It would have been extremely disappointing. But I'm happy that there's some kind of activity that we'll be able to capture.
On January 13, 2025, the Jamaica Defence Force hosted the grand opening ceremony of Exercise Event Horizon 2025 at the Kingston Waterfront. This landmark event showcased military cooperation, innovation, and resilience, attracting both local and international attention. The public eagerly gathered on the recreational lawns of Bank of Jamaica, embracing the opportunity to witness this significant military event. Exercise Event Horizon 2025 marks an important milestone for the Jamaica Defence Force and its international allies. Commander Alvin Gale, Executive Officer of the Maritime, Air and Cyber Command, highlighted the features of the day, including a sail and fly past of marine and aerial assets. Exercise Event Horizon is not just a national effort, it's a collaborative undertaking that brings together military forces from key allies. This year, participants include the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and France, among others. These partnerships underscore the importance of regional and global security cooperation. The audience was captivated by the display of military precision as ships sailed in formation and helicopters performed coordinated flyovers, showcasing the JDF's capabilities alongside those of its allies. A naval gunfire salute added to the spectacle, with ceremonial explosives echoing across the waterfront, marking the official commencement of Exercise Event Horizon 2025. Captain Cleon Thompson, Operations Officer at the Maritime, Air and Cyber Command, emphasized the significance of this exercise, which spans over 2 weeks. Its objective to strengthen military coordination and readiness in responding to the regional challenges such as disaster relief, maritime security, and cyber threats. Families and individuals of all ages attended, reflecting their community's support and interest in the nation's defense initiative. It was a unique opportunity for civilians to observe military operations up close and interact with service members. Throughout the 2-week exercise, participants from allied nations will engage in simulated operations including maritime patrols, disaster response scenarios, and joint tactical maneuvers. These drills aim to enhance the interoperability and strengthening partnerships across borders. The opening ceremony of Exercise Event Horizon 2025 not only demonstrated the JDF's operational excellence, but also fostered a sense of unity and pride among Jamaicans. It was a powerful reminder of the importance of collaboration in safeguarding peace and security in the region.